Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So from my thumbnail you have already understood that today I'm going to show you some Nykaa haul. So these all I have purchased during Nykaa summer sale. So I haven't opened it, I have kept it because I thought ki whenever I will make a video at that time I'm going to open it in front of you. So these are all basic essential products because in this lockdown we can't go out, so that's why I have purchased some basic products, some skincare products, so that I can pamper myself in home only as we cannot go to salon. So without any further talk, let's start with the haul. First I'm going to open this packet. Well, I know what I have purchased, but I don't know in which packet what are the things are there. So first I'm going to open this and let's see what is there in this packet. Oh, okay. Face shaver. So actually as we cannot go to salon and we cannot do threadings and in our face threading also, though I don't do face threading but I do my eyebrows. Right now I can't do that, so that's why I have purchased this face shaver. So it will clear my face. I can do my little bit my eyebrows also with this, so this is very helpful. So I have previously also I have used a face shaver and they are very easy to use. But if you don't know how to use a face shaver, let me know, then I will make a video how to use this. And now I'm going to open another box. So right now I'm going to open this. Okay, yeah, so here I have purchased this shampoo. So this is a very basic product, so they are giving a good discount on shampoos also. That's why I purchased this shampoo. So most of the time I use Dove shampoo. They are very good for hairs. It keeps my hair very hydrated and moisturized, but it doesn't feel tacky or your hair will not get drop down. So this is a very good shampoo. If you're looking in a budget, a good shampoo, then definitely try this one, Dove shampoo. Yeah, so I have ordered a Nykaa body lotion. So in this also I get a very good discount. So what happened in Delhi, basically there is a very less humidity, so always our body gets very dry. It's good to use a moisturizer in your skin because then your skin will remain hydrated. And I have heard a very good review about this moisturizer in Nykaa. The smell is very good, they have said. Let me open and smell it, how it smells. So I have heard that it is a very good smell. So I thought to invest in a good moisturizer because I'm looking for a good moisturizer. Okay, so can you see it's coming a little bit sea blue color. So I'm going to, oh yeah, the smell is really very good. I can't it's like a you are in a sea, there is a sea breeze going. Whenever you walk around sea beaches, the smell you get, the smell of a sea, that type of smell, it's absolutely good for summer. But if you're in the summer looking for a good body lotion, then definitely invest in this Nykaa Wanderlust Mediterranean Sea Salt. You will love this smell and you will not regret. So I will give 5 out of 5. The smell is so beautiful. It will automatically energize your mood and you will feel so good in this situation also. So we are right now, you should pamper yourself because to feel motivated, to feel good in your house only, you should use all this type of products. And if you're staying in a humid city, then I don't know whether you can use a moisturizer right now or not. But as if you're staying in a like hilly areas, or if you are staying in a dry weather, there definitely you can try this type of body lotions because it will get easily absorbed in the skin, but definitely the smell will also energize your mood. So it's a highly recommended from my end. Now I'm going to open another box. So this is a very heavy. Open this box and now I'm going to show you each and every product. So yeah, I have purchased some few sheet masks. So I'm going to show you what are the sheet masks I have purchased. and these are from Tony Moly. So in Nykaa they have given an offer that if you invest in 3 sheet mask, you will get another 3 sheet mask free. So which is a very good offer. That time I have purchased this sheet mask. So I'm going to show you what are the sheet mask I have purchased. This is an avocado one, and this is for nutrition purpose, means it will keep your skin hydrated. And I have purchased another one. This is a seaweed, so it will help you to purify your skin. It will remove darts, and it will help also for your open pores to remove that darts from your skin. So this is actually a very good sheet mask. I have purchased another sheet mask. This is Makigoli. So I don't know whether I'm pronouncing it right or wrong, but this is also a skin purifying sheet mask because right now I cannot do facial. I'm not doing anything like that, so I need a skin purifying sheet mask. That's why I've purchased this other one. And this is a pomegranate one. You know that it is good for elasticity. It's help your it will reduce your wrinkles, so definitely use a pomegranate sheet mask. And the another one, it's a rice serum sheet mask. So rice is always good for skin and your hair, so that is also a very good sheet mask to invest. And this is also for red wine. This is also for pore care, so that's why I have purchased this one. I will always say, as we cannot go out in this lockdown situation, we are staying in home, so it's always good to pamper yourself because it will feel good and will make your moods very good. So it will help you motivated. So these are the few things in which you can pamper yourself and you can feel good. Okay, and this is so much needed in my life. I'm looking for a good blackheads and whiteheads remover strip. So this is from Tony Moly. This is egg pore nose strip. So let's see, I haven't used before, so this is first time I have invested in this. Before this I have invested in a hip hop nose strip, which is also very good. It will remove your blackheads and whiteheads, but definitely doesn't work 100%. That's why I have purchased this one, because I have here a good review from Nykaa that it's work very well. So I'm going to use it on myself, and also I'm going to use it on my husband nose also, to see that whether it worked properly or not. Now I have another one. This is a very basic because I need kajal whenever I make videos. Most of the time I use kajal and my kajal got finished. But this time also I have purchased a Nykaa one because I'm very satisfied with the Nykaa kajals. And I've also purchased a eyeliner because my eyeliner is also getting end. That's why I purchased an eyeliner. So this is a Maybelline Colossal eyeliner. So let me open this. I'm going to show you how it looks like. So this is the first time I'm purchasing this sketch eyeliner because I thought maybe it will be helpful to do a wing eye. So let's see how much beautiful it is. Yeah, it is good. Maybe it can help in doing my wing eye. And now I'm going to show you this clear freshly juiced vitamin E mask. So this is I don't know, I haven't used it before, but I need a very good moisturizer in my skin because sometimes there is a pimples coming out, and they are also giving marks, and it is saying that it has a vitamin E, it has a niacinamide, and it has a boosting radiance and glow ingredient, which I definitely need because I know that niacinamide will reduce your scars and it will control your pores also, and vitamin E is also very good for skin. So I have a vitamin C from Clear, so I'm going to mix that with this moisturizer and I'm going to use that in night. So then after that I'm going to give a review that how it is working on my skin, and I will give you a review after 1 month only because I want to see, because I know that in one day it will not show the result. It will definitely take its own sweet time. So after that only I'm going to give a review on this. So this is a moisturizer. I'm going to open this and I'm going to show you how it looks. So this is the bottle looking. Okay, so it has another also cover, which is a good thing. Oh, and this is a moisturizer. It's pure white. It's a milky white. So okay, the smell is also good. It will not bother you. Definitely, I think clears will not dishearten me because I'm already using their clears vitamin C serum, and that is working very well with my skin. So I hope that it will also work very well with my skin. And now I have another one. This is a face wash, I know. So I have already ordered a face wash because every girls need a face wash, and once it will get in, you order another face wash, but this time you will order a different face wash because you have already used that one previously and you know how it works on your skin. So this time you will try another different face wash. So that's what I have done. Previous time using a Biotic papaya face wash, that got in, and this time I have invested in Lakme Blush and Glow Strawberry face wash. So what happened, that papaya face wash from Biotic, it is a little bit scrub in it, though it won't hurt your skin, but I have that one and only face wash, and that is a papaya one, and everyday scrubbing is not good for your skin, and it also started affecting my skin a little bit. So sometimes what I do, I skip my face wash. I just use a normal shower gel in my face, which is not good. That is why this time I thought to invest in a face wash which should be mild and it will not have any scrub, because I don't want a scrub every day in my face because it hurt your skin a lot. So once a week it is okay, but not for every day. That's why I have invested in Lakme Blush and Glow face wash. And I know this is a very good face wash. And now I'm going to show you this conditioner. So yeah, this is a conditioner. So I have already purchased Dove shampoo. So whenever I purchase shampoo of that company, I always prefer to use conditioner of that same company only, because then only it will show a good result on your hair. So definitely always go for same conditioner of the same brand. So as you have seen that I have a Dove shampoo, that's why I have invested in a Dove conditioner. So this is a hair color, as I cannot go out in a salon to do my hairs, and if you can see, there is a little bit gray peeping out from here and there, so what I don't want. So that's why I have purchased a L'Oreal Custom Cream Gloss dark brown shade, so to color my hair. So this is also a very basic thing. This is a hair oil. So this is Indulekha Bringa oil. So this is, I think, my third bottle or fourth bottle. So I'm so much in love with this hair oil. This is such a good hair oil. First time I have used a hair oil so consistently, and I have seen a very good result on this. And another thing, it is not sticky, and it doesn't smell like it will, this smell will not bother you. Whenever you will invest in any Ayurvedic hair oil, there will be always a stinking smell that will always, like, it will be very much coming to your nose and you will not like it. But this one, Bringa hair oil, it doesn't have any stinking smell. It will not bother your nose, and at the same time it's a non-sticky, and it is very good for hair. So if you're looking for a good hair oil, definitely you can invest in this Indulekha Bringa hair oil. So this will be a good investment. So that is all from my today's Nykaa sale haul. So I will give update on my Instagram stories how my sheet mask and how my nose strip is working on my skin. So if you're not following me on Instagram, do follow me there, and hope you have enjoyed watching this video, and hope I have entertained you a little bit, and also have tried to give you information how to pamper yourself, how to feel good in this situation also, because it is very important to pamper yourself and to keep motivated and to feel good. So in this way, I'm signing off today, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay in home, and love you all. Take care. Bye bye.